What if I told you there's a way to make $500 every single day without constantly working 9 to -5? Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly how to generate passive income. And yes, you can make $500 a day with a few simple strategies. Let's dive right in. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am your name, and on this channel, we share easy and practical money-making tips so you can take control of your finances and start living life on your own terms. Today's video is all about how to make $500 a day passively with little effort and no prior experience needed. So if you're ready to start earning money in your sleep, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on building wealth. Before we get into the specific ideas, let me first break down what passive income really means, so we're all on the same page. Passive income is money that comes in regularly with little to no active effort required on your part after the initial setup. So think of it as earning money while you sleep, travel, or just enjoy life. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. First up, we have affiliate marketing. Simply put, this is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale that happens through your referral link. Now, you might be thinking, how can I make $500 a day with this? Well, here's how. Start by joining affiliate programs of popular platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareSale. Pick products you believe in or products that match your audience's interests. Let's say you create a blog or YouTube channel with reviews or guides for these products. With just a few sales a day, you can easily rack up $500 a day. Once your content starts ranking, you can earn while you sleep. 2. Print on demand. Next is print on demand. This is perfect for creative minds. With print on demand, you can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters and sell them online through platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. Here's the beauty of it. You don't handle the printing or shipping. When someone orders, the platform does everything for you, and you earn a profit from each sale. Let's do some quick math. If you sell a shirt for $25 and make $10 profit on each sale, you'd only need to sell 50 shirts in one day to make your $500. With the right designs and some solid marketing, this could become your steady income stream. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. How about making money from real estate without having to buy an entire property? Welcome to real estate crowdfunding. This is where you can invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. You earn a portion of the profits when the property appreciates or when rent payments come in. Popular platforms like Fundrise or Realtime will allow you to get started with a small investment and potentially make returns on your investment passively. With just a couple of good investments, your returns can easily add up to $500 per day, especially if you stay consistent and reinvest your profits. Just make sure to do thorough research before investing. For dropshipping, let's talk about dropshipping. This is one of the easiest ways to start an online business. You sell products on your own store, but the supplier ships the products directly to the customer. You don't hold inventory, and you don't deal with fulfillment. Your job is to market the products and drive traffic to your website. If you sell products with a good profit margin, let's say $50 per sale, making 10 sales a day will get you to that $500 mark. You can market your store through social media ads or SEO, search engine optimization. And once you've set it up, the sales can roll in passively. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Another great option is peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. In return, you earn interest on your loan. It's like being the bank, but you get to set the terms. You can start by lending small amounts and reinvesting your earnings. As you build your portfolio, your interest returns can grow, allowing you to reach that $500 day goal passively over time. Of course, as with all investments, be mindful of the risks. Imagine turning your spare change into a fortune. What if I told you that the same stock market that scares most people could actually make you millions? You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of money to get started. In fact, I'm going to share exactly how I made my first million in stocks and how you can too. Stick around because this could change your financial future forever. Let's start with the basics. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a tiny piece of a company. Think of it like owning a small slice of a pizza. The company's success or failure can make your slice grow in value. But before we dive into picking stocks, you need to understand one thing: investing is a long-term game. Sure, there will be ups and downs, but the key is to stay in the game. Patience is your biggest ally. Here's the truth: you don't need thousands of dollars to start. When I first started investing, I put in a small amount of money each month. Even if it was just $100, I kept at it. Over time, that money started to grow, and I could reinvest my profits. Small steps lead to big results, so don't let fear of not having enough money hold you back. Even a little can go a long way if you stay consistent. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in investing: compound interest. Imagine you invest $100 in a stock, and it grows by 10% in a year. Now, instead of just making $10, you make $11 next year because your original $100 plus your $10 profit is now $110. Compound interest is like a snowball. It starts small, but it gets bigger as it rolls down the hill. Here's something I wish I knew earlier: don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is called diversification. By investing in different types of companies like tech, healthcare, and consumer goods, you're spreading out your risk. Even if one stock drops, others may rise. This reduces the risk of losing everything, which is key to long-term success. One mistake a lot of new investors make is picking stocks based on trends or hype. Don't fall for it. Instead, focus on industries and companies you understand. If you love technology, consider investing in tech stocks. If you're passionate about healthcare, learn about those companies. The more you know about what you're investing in, the better decisions you'll make. Trust me, investing in what you know will give you the confidence to succeed. Here's a common mistake: making investment decisions based on emotions. If you panic during market crashes or get greedy during a bull market, you'll make poor choices. The market will have its ups and downs, but the key is to stay calm. Stick to your strategy and don't let short-term fluctuations derail your long-term goals. One of the most powerful ways to accelerate your wealth is by reinvesting your profits. Instead of cashing out your gains, put them back into the market. This gives you even more money working for you, and it's a great way to boost your portfolio over time. Now you know the key steps to start investing like a pro. Remember, it's all about starting small, staying consistent, and being patient. If I can do it, so can you. The stock market can seem intimidating at first, but with the right mindset and strategy, it's one of the best ways to build wealth over time. Pause for effect. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Let's start this investing journey together.